intro.
Hey baby.
Hey.
First time in the studio?
Yes it is.
Mm-hmm.
First time.
Yeah. Get to see me perform live now.
Yeah.
In the studio.
In the studio.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
It's Island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. What's up, guys?
What's up?
Go on. They are Rasta. See me? So today, guys, we're going to the studio. You see me? Gonna go record a song or two. You see me? So that's what's up for the day. You see? I'm bringing Bay for the first time in the studio. She gonna see me live recording live. You see? So yeah, that's what's up.
Vibe.
Yeah.
It's a vibe.
I'm a thing. Hey, what are you doing?
What were you doing before?
Babe, stop. You can't do it that.
Wait, I just paid myself.
What?
Look.
You're in trouble. What are you doing, man?
Oh, he's bad. Like, he brushes me off.
What are you doing?
You seen that guy's first hand?
You're in trouble.
Down. Huh?
You are in trouble.
You're in trouble.
No more tickles. No more tickles.
I love it. I love it. Crazy bugger.
You are. Mm-hmm. Let's
Be
go.
crazy on me.
Studio time.
Intro.
Started.
Hey baby.
Hey.
First time in the studio?
Yes it is.
Mm-hmm.
First time.
Yeah. Get to see me perform live now.
Yeah.
In the studio.
In the studio.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Back in at the studio again, yeah. You know the vibes are around, yeah. Oh yes. Let's go now. Yes. Ooh. And I get the life. Can I get more light in here? More light. Yeah. Let's go now. Say we on the roll now. Let's go now. Ghetto Jesus. And when I come for we, sir, this is not the life I chose, but it's life I know. Growing up, Africa, life story. On the block, dog, get your one block, dog. Them your streets, ya, hotter than hot, dog. Every man strap up with them fat arms. Wheelbarrow the dumper truck, drive by in a fast car. Street side gambling extortion. Teenage babies having abortion. Tim Jim, wonder if me go last long. Cause every man want prove who are the bada man. Man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't not nice. When I can't afford to get a life, Man know about it, see them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, see them straight, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man born in a the ghetto, still nothing good change. Wood fire block pot, board housing fence, see your friend, them are dead one by one every day. Protest roadblock, no water, no light, have to reach home before certain time. Don't no make the devil be your tour guide in a them streets, so you have to fight for survive. Pickpockets, scammers, prostitutes, that's the nature of the ghetto. Man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't nothing nice when you can't afford to get a life. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah, them straight, yeah. Get your life on a paradise. You can do as you ever like. When they done set the rules, do not try break it unless you want go down in a the grave quick. Where to run, we not have a option. Them class we as the worst. Destruction where me come from. Society don't love where me come from. Everyday people die, oh I. Man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't nothing nice when you can't afford to get a life. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah, them straight, yeah. Get a life. These streets ain't nothing nice when you can't afford to get a life. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah, them straight, yeah. Get a life and a paradise. You can do as you ever like. When they done set the rules, do not try break it unless you want go down in a the grave quick. Where to run, we not have a option. Them class we as the worst. Destruction where me come from. Society don't love where me come from. Everyday people die, oh I. Man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't nothing nice when I can't afford to get a life. Yeah. On the black dog, get your own black dog. Them your streets, yeah, hotter than hot dog. Every man strap up with them fat arms. Wheelbarrow the dumper truck, drive by in a fast car. Street side gambling extortion. Teenage babies having abortion. Tim Jim, wonder if me a go last long. Cause every man want prove what the bad man. Know about the ghetto life.
Listen back now.
Ghetto Jesus. And when I come for we, sir, it's not the life I chose, but it's life I know. Growing up, Africa, life story.
On the block dog, get your own block dog. Them your streets are hotter than hot dog. Every man strap up with them fat arms. Wheelbarrow the dumper truck, drive by in a fast car. Street side gambling extortion. Teenage babies having abortion. Tim Jim, wonder if they go last long. Cause every man want proof of what the bad man. Man know about the ghetto life. In the ghetto life, get your own black dog. Hotter than hot dog. With them fat arms, drive by in a fast car. Teenage babies having abortion. Wonder if me a go last long. Want proof of what the bad man. Yeah, man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't not nice when I can't afford to get a life. Man know about it. Man know about it. Man know about it. Yeah, them streets, yeah. Still no go change. Board housing fence. Them are dead one by one every day. Roadblock, no water, no light. Show them before certain time. Do not make the devil. Dinner them your streets and you have to fight for survive. Prostitutes, that's the nature of the ghetto. Man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't not nice when they can't afford to get a life. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Man know about it, see them straight, yeah. Man know about it, yeah, them straight, yeah. Yeah, them straight, yeah. To work in them streets, that you want to fight for survive. Pickpockets, scammers, prostitutes, that's the nature of the ghetto, the ghetto. Man know about the ghetto life. Man know about the ghetto life. These streets ain't not nice when they can't afford to get a life. Let's go now.
A quick part, eh? A quick part, everybody know. Remember the part I read.
Everything makes sense.
Maybe the part I read that.
Real.
I forgot now where. I don't know where that come from, but it did it.
Real.
Yeah, man. A quick there. Sound like a part I.
Let's go now. Ghetto Jesus. And when you come for we, sir, it's not the life I chose, but it's life I know. Growing up, Africa, life story. On the block dog, get your one block dog. Them your streets are hotter than hot dog. Every man strap up with them fat arms. Wheelbarrow the dumper truck, drive by in a fast car. Street side gambling extortion. Teenage babies having a abortion. Jim. Yeah, having a dragon.
Having a
Be able to snare
Smirnoff.
enough. Yeah. Run Panibakai Beach, you know. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, it's set up different now.
Yeah, man.
Nice spot.
Nice spot.
Yeah.
For real.
Huh. Like something there on the fire cook and thing, you know? So they extend it further. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Nice, Chica Bella.
Hi. We're just chilling out here. We're gonna have something to eat.
Yeah.
Babe's always hungry.
True. Just had soup.
So, you know.
We just had soup a while ago and need something more.
That was breakfast and now he needs something more. So
True.
we're just gonna lunch out today, relax, maybe go back and watch a movie or something. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Go back home and chill.
Chill.
Yeah. That's what's up.
That's what's up.
Right here in Port Antonio. Wago and Chica.
Me there. Second
Lunch,
bottle. Now
lunchtime.
yeah, eating time.
Ah, nothing.
It's rice and peas,
Yeah,
brown stewed fish, and salad.
nothing.
Hey.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Wago.
Baby, he's getting it out. It's coming out.
What?
Hey, baby.
Oi.
Disgusting, baby.
Yo, sa Wagwan. Yo. Wagwan.
Probably do donkey rides here. Hey, it looks like you, babe.
What? What is he
Donkey
doing?
looks like you.
I think it's a fly
He
traveling.
wants me. Hey, baby. Okay, check out his thing now.
There's nothing there.
Yes, I die. You know why? For real star, for true. Me die for the youths them. Me die for the youths them. Long time, but now I left them out. have things, not money. We say youths for have things, house and land, car and van. I may say youths for have things. I may say youths for have things, not money. We say youths for have things, house and land, car and van. Enough got the money, don't got the money. Enough got the money, don't got the mind. Me not give a drink, me a give a start in a life. If you come back a beg, that mean you know why the youths them dirty. Enough criticize when the youths them clean, them come and sympathize. Them say me a the done from Portland, but this I done and I do not know where wrong. For rich people me sit down, for poor people me stand. I and I now mix up with dirty Babylon. Am I right, am I wrong? I may say youths for your things. I may say youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van. I may say youths for your things. I may say youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van. Take a shoes, take a pants, take a shot. You know see how hard them have you a walk. This a not election time. Come with pretty smile, me a run money pon the youths. Them like River Nile, long a Portland. Go left a portion, hold on Kingston. Me a bring some. You see if you happy, that a my law. People take advantage when you a papa. Gun on the book, which one you rather? I know everybody have a mother, much less father. I may say youths for your things.